The gentlemen of the press, we just finished a meeting with the security heads of the states, of our state here, Rivers. You can see by my side the police commissioner, the director, DSS, and other arms of the security units. This meeting, we had our own security meeting first. We also had another meeting with the civil society group. We are aware of the protest that is being proposed for tomorrow to the 10th of August. And we are doing everything within our power to see how we can contain it. Their demands or their complaints might, like I said, genuine, that they are hungry, issue of governance, but the truth still remains, this is not the right time because we have a lot of issues at hand that we cannot and should not allow anything go wrong. If anything should happen at this time, it will be very disastrous in our state. So we're doing everything to make sure we contain them. So far, the meeting is a very fruitful meeting. They've given us their commitment that they will not be part of anything that will bring any destruction in our dear state. We have also made our own promises to them. Part of their demands, the ones that we can meet immediately, we will immediately swim into action. For those other ones that are above us, that we need to transmit to Mr. President, we also prepare it and forward to him. But so far, we can assure the general public that Rivers State, by the special grace of God, will be peaceful tomorrow. People will go about their normal businesses. If there should be anything, it will never be something that will be out of hand. I can assure you that. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You do rapporteur for the meeting, sir.